Nano ba mo kabalen? Mag-practice
Ikaw
na tayo.
makanano yan. Ikaw makanano yan.
Ano, what's up? Nano ba mo kabalen? Nano ba mo kabalen?
Sige.
May sound system? Ikagawa ka na?
Top may game.
5, 6. Nano ba mo kabalen?
Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako yung Louis Season.
And Marco Nanan.
Ngayon po nga daw ini at yung kami kining Vista Mall, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. May imbita kami po na. Uli mag-open niya po ining metong nga bayong store kining Vista Mall.
Sa mall. Ang lagyo na po ng establishment is Beauty Derm.
Derm. And kayong gulot mi po, bemila po rin celebrity endorsers na ning Beauty Derm. Uy, tanay, bayan nyo kami po, pakimilangan po nung nanong milyari kining event ay ini. And tingnan mo pong may itong question, why Beauty Derm? Pasagutala po ka rin celebrity.
Because Beauty Derm is very effective and affordable. Beauty Derm is the best.
Why beauty term? Kailangan ba bang explain yan sa face ko? Yun lang, ang tanging lang sa skin ko. Super sensitive ang skin ko talaga at sure lang akong ready sa akin. Why beauty term? Ito po ang resulta.
Bukod sa papagandahin mo yung mga balat or papapogian ka, papagandahin ka, marami siya talaga natutulungan ng Beauty Derm sa personal na buhay ng bawat tao.
Why Beauty Derm? Because I believe in the product. It really works. I've tried it and I've seen some improvements on my skin. We are not promoting this just because we are endorsing the product, just because we are getting paid. We are promoting Beauty Derm because it works. It is a product that really makes wonders for your skin.
Because we want to have beautiful skin and we want to defy aging. At the same time, we want to make more lives more beautiful. Be proud, it's Beauty Derm.
It's a way of life to be beautiful. Know and feel that you can be beautiful. Feel it from inside, shining through outside. It's a gorgeous life. Yes, you've got that looks, have that confidence, with that sure thing smile, stand out from the rest. You've got eyes on you, everyone sees it's true. Take a look at you. Beautiful living is our goal, raising confidence in sorrow. Being beautiful and be safe and effective for all.
Congratulations sa bagong bukas na Beauty Derm and more power. Congrats!
I am inviting all of you to come and visit our newly opened Beauty Derm branch here in Vista Mall, San Fernando, Pampanga. We are located at the ground level and we are open from Mondays through Sundays from 10 a.m. until 9 p.m. See you all beauties, be proud. It's Beauty Derm.
Alright, so what a day, what an event na. Sobra siksikan, huling star-studded din nga yung event na. Magpasalamat kami po kay Beauty Derm for inviting us. Hopefully, sana akida kayo pa po karing marakal pang event natin kanina. So guys, if you wanna check their products, available na po kay Vista Mall. Sabi ng CEO na din, this is their 91st
91st branch.
This is their 91st branch and ating po metong kay Vista Mall, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. So there you have it guys. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. To our next discovery. Peace out!